calm down. If you feel emotional, don't bring out everything. You can go in one place, you can go solo, and inom ka ng tubig, pahinga ka muna for a few minutes. And after that, think about what happened and what is the next step to do. Because you have to face it, you have to face the problem. So you have to face it. Pag hindi mo kasi finish yun, you will not fix the problem. It will get worse. So after that, think of a solution. Lahat naman tayo individuals, we have different point of views, and be creative on how are you going to solve the problem.
Welcome to Runaway Podcast's Valentine's Day special, Recipe ng Forever. Join us as our guests impart the secret to a long-lasting relationship. Our guest at this time is one of the most influential couples that I know in my life. And they are 3 years strong. Malapit na ang kanilang wedding anniversary sa February 23. So this is very timely. Please all welcome Steffi and Nat. Hi guys! Thank you for joining.
Hello, good day.
Hello.
Good day.
Good day to all of you, and it's been a pleasure to be invited here in this special episode. So, maraming salamat.
Thank you, Kuya. Thank you. So, this is the big question, Miss Steph and Kuya Nat. Paano nga pala kayo nagkakilala? Apo.
Okay, so
Kaya mo na yan, eh.
who's gonna go first? Okay, I'll go first. Actually, yes. It's a funny story actually kasi meron akong friend. I have a friend, a high school friend, which we used to drink every night. So umiinom na kami, naglalasingan kami. Then one night when we were drinking at home, his phone was unattended. And suddenly, I look at his phone, I opened his Facebook, and I saw this girl in her profile picture sitting down, wearing a pink shirt and a shorts. Tama ba, naka-shorts love? Then sitting on a special chair. I don't know what kind of chair is that. Then I asked my friend, "Hey pare, sabi ko sa kanya, who is this? Is your friend?" Sabi niya sa akin, "Oo, actually, she's my workmate. She's my boss in my online teaching." Wow, sabi ko ganun. Sabi ko, "Pre, ganda." Sabi ko ganun. "Can you introduce me to her?" Sabi ko lang. And then the good thing was, sabi nga sa akin ni Norman, that girl is single and available. Wow, nabuhayin ako ng pag-asa. Sabi kong gano'n. Wow. Kasi nung nakita ko pa lang siya, the first time I saw her, talagang I got attracted to her. She's beautiful. She looks tall. Basta attracted ako sa kanya physically. Then, he introduced me to her via text message. Doon. Tapos, yun, nakakilala na kami, nag-text message kami, hanggang sa nag-meet kami. Suplada pa nga yan dati. I will send her a message early in the morning, like 6:30 a.m. up to 8:30. Then, she will reply to me around 10:30 p.m. in the evening. So, that was after the whole day. And she will say goodnight to me because she's tired. And yun lang. Ganun lang kami for the whole duration of the time. Minute ko na siya. And we met. After we met in Figaro, Alabang Town Center, then everything was history. Yun. Yun yung version ko. Summary. Thank you.
Diyos ko po.
Yes, gusto kayo taga ng reply ko kasi alam mo naman, Paul, how busy I am.
Oo.
Witness ka naman dyan.
Oo. So parang nahalata ko na ang una talaga na in love si Kuya. No?
Actually kasi Paul, hindi nyo naitatanong, talaga, dali ako ma-attract sa beautiful girl, beautiful women. Yun, dali ako ma-attract pag nakita ko talaga sa gustuhan ko, talagang pinupurso ko na makilala ko. And after that, let's see what's gonna happen. See if we are destined to be with each other. Yon.
Ayan. As long as single, no, kuya. Dapat, yun ang
Yes,
mali.
as long as single,
Dapat.
not committed, walang sabit
Huwag ka sabit yan.
Kasi pag may sabit, yari.
Naku,
Yari
magulo
tayo
yun.
dyan. Oo, magulo, complicated.
Mm.
Mm-mm.
So, don't go into a complicated relationship. Yon.
Totoo naman.
Mm-mm. Ay, ako, may question ako, Miss Steph. Kasi na-mention ni Kuya na medyo matagal nga po kayo mag-reply and all. Tapos, very honest naman din po si Kuya with his feelings. Kayo naman po, ano yung naging version nyo nung nililigawan? Pangalan kayo ni Kuya na nung nakikilala stage. Ayun po.
Ayun, so mahilig kami kumain sa labas. Kilala mo rin ako. Matagal mo na ako kilala, Paul. So, yun yung gusto ko talaga. Yun yung parang pastime or hobby, if you may call it, na talagang kumain. Basta pag yun yung activity, masaya ako. Kasi di ba other people, they are into hiking, mga ganyan, or kung ano man. Although lately, nag-exercise na kami. Pero nung nasa ligawan stage pa lang, yun, puro kain talaga o kaya bar, gano'n, bar hopping, ganyan.
alam mo Paul, yan si Steph. Ano yan, basta makakita ng ng food yan. Hindi naman
Foodie
masyadong
talaga.
particular sa food. Gaganyan na yan, oh. Gumano na yung mata niyan, gusto niya yun. Oh, ganun.
Yes.
That's her style.
Ay,
Every time I see your face like that, doing like this, that's the time that we will have our meal. Kakain na kami.
Naalala ko nun, Kuya, nung yung first time na kumain tayo nun sa labas, nasa bar tayo, yung kay Regoy. And naalala ko nun, o-order na si Miss Steph, and then tinanong na yung waitress, wala po bang picture? Nagulat ako kasi, oo nga naman, kailangan mo ng picture kasi para makita mo yung platter, kasi platter yung in-order ni Miss Steph.
Oo. Yes. Parang kita ko na yung content.
Actually, she's really fond of that. She loves to take pictures of the food, and pictures of us. And after a few days, she's gonna post it in social media. Of course, in her Facebook. Because she doesn't have an Instagram account. Yun. So,
Wala akong
ganyan
Instagram.
yan. Oo. Style niya yan. Talang kilala. I know her very much on that, on those kind of things.
Para ma-preserve yung memories. Ayan.
Yes, memory. Yun.
Ayun. Ito Kuya, may follow-up question po ako, no? Kasi na-mention nyo na po
Sure.
kanina na madalas attracted po tayo sa mga physically attracted to people. Pero nung nasa ligawan stage pa lang po kayo, or even now po, ano po yung nakikita nyong characteristics kay Miss Steph na gustong-gusto nyo po talaga ever since the start?
Actually, there's a lot of wonderful characteristics about Steph. A lot, actually. If I count everything, I think it will be more than 10. But I will name a few. First of all, yes, she's beautiful. As you can see, tara, no, di ba? Ang ganda ng wife ko, very beautiful. Okay, number two, she's tall, around 5'6". Tapos number 3, she's kind. She's understanding. She loves to help people and to give rather than to receive. Ganun siya yung ugali niya. And most of all, she's trustworthy. She trusts me a lot. I trust her a lot. That is why we have a good foundation in our relationship. Yun.
Oh, that's sweet. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you. Kayo po, Miss Steph. Ayan.
Yes, ako naman. As you can see, gwapo talaga, di ba? Kaya nga, name niya dito, di ba, Super Nathan Pogi. Ayan. Yung mismong name niya dito, may Pogi, di ba? Ako nga, Steffi lang, tapos siya, Super Nathan Pogi. Ayan. Ayun. Although dati, nung dalaga pa ako, preferred ko Moreno. Actually, Moreno. Pero, bukod naman kay Nathan, nagka-boyfriend din ako ng maputi. So, hindi naman siya yung first na maputi kong boyfriend. So, may maputi rin yung boyfriend before. Although, parang may tinatawag tayong ideal man, di ba? Pero not necessarily yung makakatuluyan natin, ganon. Kasi, physical lang yun kung moreno nga, tapos kumbaga tall, dark, and handsome, tapos hindi mo pa pagkakatiwalaan, wala rin.
Yeah.
So, physical lang yung kanina. Pero syempre kung lifetime na, dapat pati ugali, personality, ganon. So, ito, swerte ko naman kasi bukod sa gwapo, loyal na, honest pa. So, all in one na. So, happy ako na nagkakilala kami.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Tangkad pa.
Ayan, opo.
Oh.
Di ba? Lahat na.
Wow,
na.
thank you. I'm flattered. I'm very much flattered.
Tapos importante din sa akin yung loyal and honest. Yun talaga. Kung sa ugali, loyal and honest talaga.
Loyal talaga, pinakamahalaga. Tsaka yung honest ka.
Opo.
Masasabi ko sa kanya loyal forever. Hindi yung loyal lang for the first 3 years, 5 years. Dapat lifetime na loyal.
After ng 3 years, 5 years, iba na yung sa pero hindi kami ganon. So we are not like that. So we always trust each other. Just to make our relationship stronger and wonderful through the years. Oh, di ba?
Apo. Thank you, Kuya Nat. Speaking of through the years po, no, kasi like 3 years na po kayong married, tapos mag-wedding anniversary din po kayo sa 23. Gusto ko pa nung tanungin si Miss Steph. Ikaw, Miss Steph, ito. Question for the girl sa lahat ng guests namin.
Sure.
Bakit po nyo sinagot si Kuya Nat? Ayan, what made you say yes? Sorry.
Naramdaman ko na lang na, yun na, masaya kasi ako, ganon. Kasi mararamdaman mo yun Pag, kasi syempre may mga nanligaw din sa akin before, pero hindi naman umabot sa point na sinagot ko kasi, nafe-feel ko yung yung ganon. Tapos, may mga gwapo rin naman before, pero medyo kasi ako advance mag-isip. Nalalaman ko pag yung guy, parang may tendency lokohin ako in the future.
Oh, okay.
Like, may gwapo before, Nathan, na nag-court, ganyan. Pero, naramdaman ko na, nako, magali lang to pag boyfriend. Pero alam ko pag pinakasalan ko to, parang may tendency talaga. Malaman mo pag medyo chick boy
Okay. That's po.
Ako ewan ko sa ibang girls, pero ako naman ko yun. Tapos ngayon, alam ko talaga tama yung decision ko na sinagot ko to.
Boy.
Kasi yung kahit lumabas siya sa gabi, wala akong yung iba na magte-text ng every hour, every 10 minutes. Sa kanya hindi ko kailangan gawin.
Kasi every time naman I ask permission from her to go out, I'll just go out to meet my friends, have a drink, chit-chat, do some bonding, play basketball. That's all.
Opo.
Hindi
Don't
kailangan
have any
bantayan.
Less maintenance. Less maintenance.
Maintenance na lang talaga.
Yun yung ayoko, yung mapapraning ako sa magiging boyfriend ko or magiging asawa ko.
Ako wala, nag-send pa nga ako ng picture sa kanya every time that I'm.
Kasi hindi ko hinihingi.
I send her some picture selfie, pictures of my friends so that she's informed. She's updated on everything that is happening to me outside, 'di ba?
Yun, Paul, kahit hindi ko hinihingi never ako humingi na di ba kasama mo sila ganito ganyan. Asan yung picture nyong 5, ganyan. Kung 5 lang talaga kayo. Never ko ginawa yon. Never ko ginawa yon. Pero nagsisend siya. Yun, kaya di ko hiningi.
Nako, pulis ka na nun, love, kapag gano'n, no?
Never ko ginawa yon.
Ang hirap nun.
Sabi
Yun,
ni
kaya
Kuya,
gano'n kami.
it all goes back to trustworthy. Tsaka yung sa foundation naman po na honesty, no? Ayun.
Honesty.
Thank you, Kuya. Thank you, Miss Steph. Pero kayo naman, Kuya, kanina nasagot nyo na po yung tanong actually kung bakit nyo po niligawan si Miss Steph. Pero looking back, no, all these years na lumipas, masaya po ba kayo na, tama, ito yung desisyon na ginawa ko na niligawan ko si Steph?
Of course, my answer is yes. My answer is yes talaga. Kasi still, even though we are already 3 years marriage and ilang years na ba kami kailan kami nag-start? 2017. May 2017 we started to be in a relationship. We are still the same, we are still the same. We treat each other the same with respect and integrity. We trust each other, we care for each other. We go out. Sometimes we encounter some problems, but we fix it right away because we don't want to end the day with a problem, our relationship. And yes, I will say and confidently say that we are really happy, and I never regret the decision that I made in my life to marry the most wonderful woman.
Oh,
Me.
thank you po. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Kuya, ito may tanong po ako sa inyo, no? Kasi in all honesty, nandito na din po ako sa stage ng life ko kasi magiging 24 na ako, paparating na ako dun sa marrying stage, and in relationship na ako. So, that's great. So, nung time po na girlfriend and boyfriend pa lang po kayo, kailan nyo po naramdaman na ito na yung tamang oras na i-introduce ko yung partner ko sa parents ko?
Actually, it's not a when. It is how. For me, it's how, because there's no timetable, or there's no time limit on when are you going to introduce your partner to your family or to your friends, to your relatives, or to anyone. As long as you are confident, you love each other, you feel it that you really love her, you really love him, and that is the time that you can introduce her. The question is how. How are you going to introduce? Because you can introduce her during your outing, during family gatherings, anywhere. I didn't have a hard time to introduce Steph to my parents. I invited them in a restaurant. Saan tayo kumain ng love? Paddy's Point.
Jerry's Grill.
Sorry, Jerry's Grill. So we went to Jerry's Grill. I invited my dad and my mom. So they were the first one to arrive there. And after that, we came there. Confident ako. I was holding her hand. Then after that, Dad, Mom, I want to introduce to you my sweetheart, Stephanie Love. This is Dad, this is Mom. Oh, hi, Steph. Oh, kamusta?
Casual lang.
to meet you. Casual lang.
Mhm.
So yun, we sat down in table, 4 of us, table for 4. And we had food like kare-kare, nagbulalo yata kami. Then we
Oh,
ordered
Filipino
rice, of
food.
course. and me and Dad, we had beer, San Miguel beer, pale pilsen. Steph and Mama, they had juice. I think juice yung ininom nila. And yun, my mom interviewed Steph some questions. What is her work? Where does she lives? How is her family? Then like that. Then after that, everything was smooth, like a sailboat, smooth sailing. And from that time talagang I realized talagang it's not a when. So it is a how. Ganun, madali lang naman. You just be confident, introduce your partner, know her well, know him well, so that whenever your family asks some questions about him or her, you will be confident to answer all those questions. Yun lang naman.
Okay. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you. Very helpful po siya sa akin kasi honestly, yun pa talaga ang problema namin ngayon eh. ng circle ng friends ko, yung kaba na nararamdaman namin kapag ini-introduce sa family. So, syempre, gusto ko din po marinig yung side ni Miss Steph. Ayan. So, as the boys, no, Miss Steph, parang gets ko po kasi yung mga parents na ganun, lalo na yung mom ko, then I have a sister. Gets ko po na yung parents natin minsan talagang defense mode again. Oh, sino na naman yan? Anong pakainan sa'yo? Ganun po. Kamusta naman po yung naging experience nyo nung na-introduce nyo naman po si Kuya sa side nyo po?
First na nakilala. Actually, yung before the parents, yung sister ko. Pero yung sister ko, accident na
All in one yun, all in
nakilala.
one.
Kasi yung first day na
All the way.
nag-meet kami ni Nathan sa ATC. Tapos nung pauwi na, nakasabayan namin yung sister ko sa bus. Sa bus din si sister ko na hindi ko alam na magkakaganon. So, pinakilala ko na, pero noong time na yon naliligaw pa lang. Ay, hindi, actually, first day of meet pa lang, hindi ko pala naniligaw.
First meetup.
Yun, tapos pinalala ko, Nathan, si Sofia, siniganan. So, yun. Pero yung kami na, so, pinakilala ko siya sa parents ko, sa Sambo Kojin sa Southmall. Di ba? Alata talagang pagkain na naman, di ba?
Ganyan na naman yan. Nakangiti na naman.
Pati sa parents, involve ang food, di ba? Yun. So, kinabahan ako actually. Kinabahan ako. Lalo sa mommy ko. Di ba yung iba parang kinakabahan dahil sa daddy, ganon. Usually pag babae, di ba, daddy's girl. Yan. Kasi si mommy mas strict kaysa kay daddy.
Kasi
Sa akin.
mommy is very particular, especially when it comes to relationship with her daughters. Kasi syempre, babae yan, they're girls, so mostly parents will be overprotective about them. They will really research about you. What is your personality? How is your family life? How is your what is your source of living? How do you do things in your life? Kasi yun kasi sila yung magbibigay ng ng approval actually. Pero the last say naman is syempre girl or the guy. So, sa inyo pa rin yung last say. Pero syempre a parent's advice is really strong. Yun, and viral. Yun.
So yun, kinabahan lang ako nung pinakilala ko si Nathan kila mommy and daddy. Pero nung kumakain na, okay na, ganun. Parang, so umpisa lang yung parang, yung introduction mismo, yun yung nakakaba. Pero pag nakapagkwentuhan na and everything, okay na. Hindi na ako kinabahan. Tapos na yung kaba stage.
Tapos na yung kaba stage.
Napakilala na eh. Yun na. Okay na.
Kung napakilala na, ayos na.
Oo.
Oo.
Ayun, thank you.
Okay naman.
Oo.
Ito, Steph tsaka Kuya Nat, no? Pwede po kayong sumagot individually or pwede naman po isa lang. Punta po tayo sa challenges, no? Kasi syempre, hindi naman po lagi tayong masaya all the time. May mga na-experience tayong bad days, rainy days. So, para po sa inyo, what was the memorable puzzle? Puzzle kasi lahat naman nare-resolve kaya hindi ko siya frinace as problema. So, what's the memorable puzzle na na-experience nyong ma-solve together? Ayun po.
Sino muna una? Ikaw muna.
Ako naman, yung parang first heartache ba yun? Hindi, heartache na mababaw Heartache na mababaw.
Ano ba yun? Medyo nakakatawa ba yan?
Syempre yung kinasal kami ng Feb 23, tapos syempre may first night, ganyan.
Ayun,
Tapos, may nag-text sa kanyang girl. Alam mo yun? Yung first night namin.
Perfect. Actually,
Text mo yung call. Text yata muna. Oo.
Sige, ikaw muna.
Parang ganun, nag-text sa kanya. Yung nakilala mo yun sa province, no? Parang ganon.
Yes, actually there was when I used to go to the province every summer from
Province
the year
nila.
2014 up to 2018 when my grandma is still alive. So we go there for fiesta, and of course we visit my grandmother. We have our reunion every year. So when we arrived in Butuan City, we ate in a restaurant there. So my uncle, he introduced a girl to me, a waitress, and that waitress is studying BS tourism. I remember. Then she wants to have OJT in Manila. And since I'm working in a hotel in Metro Manila, in Quezon City, so my uncle introduced her to me. Then sabi pa nga ng uncle ko, ano yan, supervisor yan, mataas ang posisyon yan. Ganun ba? So talagang binilda pa ako sa babae. Actually, to be honest, the girl is beautiful.
Supervisor to.
Then of course, kasi that time I was single on that time. So I asked for the phone number of the
Wag
girl.
mag-name drop pa. Wag mag-name.
I asked for the phone number. Then she gave me her cell phone number. I gave her my number. Then I told her that I will keep in touch with her whenever there's an opening job in our hotel, so that she can apply, she can have her career in Metro Manila. So that was the first and the last time that we've met. Kasi nung bumalik na kami ng Metro Manila, we went there to have lunch. She was on leave that time. So the next moment that she approached me again was on our first day as a married couple. And then nakakatawa because she saw it, she was crying. Then she asked me, Nathan, we got married just for one day. So you still want to pursue our marriage? Pero nga, ganun.
Kasi sabi ko, may mga idea pa ako noon na di ba may mga idea pa ako noon na parang, di ba kapag ngayon lang kayo nagkapirmahan, parang hindi pa naman nasasabi sa City Hall. Parang gusto ko muna i-ano kay Reverend na parang wag mo na isabi sa City Hall.
You're gonna call Reverend. Reverend, is it okay not to submit our marriage contract because we changed our mind. We want to be single again. Ganun. No, pwede mo na makabulin yun actually.
Kasi first night pa lang, tapos makikita ko sa phone niya, merong yung name ni girl, ganun, babanggitin. Na nag-text sa kanya. Yun. Pero ano lang pala. Ano lang naman.
Text naman sa akin, hi Ralph. Ralph kasi yung Ralph ang
Nathan Ralph.
Pakilala. Nathaniel Ralph kasi ako eh. So, the girl knows me as Ralph. So, the girl asked me, hi Ralph, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Do you have an update? Yun, ganun lang yung message siya. Talagang parang napakabaho. Actually, natatawa ako. Natatawa lang ako because I'm confident that I didn't do something wrong. I didn't do something wrong to her. So ganun lang. Nagkaroon lang konting aberya because the mood was not good on the start of the day because she read the message. But after that, after a few hours, kapag kape lang, drink juice, lumabas na kami, everything got well. So from that day onwards, pumunta kami, nag-family outing kami with her lola and with her relatives. Then everything got smooth. Kalimutan na. So, that's it. History. Wala nang storya nung girl na yun. Tapos na.
Iwanag naman niya sa akin na tinutulungan niya lang sa work.
Yes.
Tinutulungan niya sa work.
Because I love to
okay na rin ako.
Because that is me naturally. I love to help people.
Kapag may nag-ask ng help sa kanya na kailangan ng work sa hotel, tinutulungan naman niya. Ako lang kasi siguro yung naging ganun yung mood ko kasi parang kakasal lang natin tapos may girl na nag-text. Parang gano'n. Parang hindi man lang next month or parang the day itself. Parang sa dami ng araw.
pero pag ganito ang nangyari, hi Ralph, team ka na ba?
Yun, iba na yun.
Iba na yun, yari ka na doon. Patay ka na doon.
Ayaw talaga masasabi ko na kay Reverend na huwag na i-City Hall yung ipasa sa City Hall yung
yung marriage contract, wala naman ako ibang wala naman. Pero alam ko naman na it's very shallow for us to have problems in our marriage, It's just very much of shallow. Tsaka kung maging sensitive ka kasi in those kind of situations, parang medyo kailangan mong mature. You have to be mature enough to understand. Kasi you have to trust your partner and your partner has to trust you for you to be able to make that marriage or that relationship work well. Or else, kaano kayo you will fall apart and you will end up not good and goodbye. Ganon, diba?
Tama.
To bring context lang din, kuya, kasi madalas ko na din naririnig yun from my parents, from my titos and my lolas na one day you will be mature enough. And as I grow up, naintindihan ko na kapag sinasabi nilang mature enough, ito yung kapag may initial reaction ka na gusto mong maging emotional, ay parang na-experience nga ni Miss Steph, dapat matututo kang kumalma. Tapos balikan yung problema na kalmado ka na. Para pag-usapan. Yun ang mature enough for me.
Yes, ganoon naman. Actually, how old are you? 23, 24? 20. Actually, Paul, you are young individual, young matured individual. Ganoon naman. Ano lang kailangan mo lang talagang kumalma, calm down, if you feel emotional, don't bring out everything, you know. You can go in one place, you can go solo, and inom ka ng tubig, pahinga ka muna for a few minutes. And after that, think about what happened and what is the next step to do. Because you have to face it, you have to face the problem. So you have to face it. Pag hindi mo kasi finish yun, you will not fix the problem. It will get worse. So after that, think of a solution. Lahat naman tayo individuals, we have different point of views, and be creative on how are you going to solve the problem. You know, madali lang naman yun. Pag may problema ka, pag-isipan mo lang mabuti, then after that, then you act. You act, find the solution, then solve the problem. Ganun lang naman yun. Oo, kaya simple lang yan.
Ayun. Thank you, Huya. Ito po, last question na for our talk for today. And gusto ko po muna tanungin si Miss Steph kasi parehas po kami ng sakit ni Miss Steph eh. Lagi po kami busy.
Busy,
Masyado
no?
po kami
Oo.
workaholic. So, kayo Miss Steph, kapag masyado po tayo, kasi guilty din po ako eh. Pag masyado pong tayong babad sa trabaho, madalas po nasasabi natin, wala akong time, pasensya ka na, or busy ako. Papaano po pwedeng bumawi dun sa partner natin kapag nasasabi natin busy ako, pasensya ka na, or wala akong time? Ayun po.
Ayun, time management din. Tapos, pwede bumaway pag day off, gano'n. Pero alam mo ako kahit day off, titingin pa rin sa Skype, gano'n.
Busy yan eh, busy.
Kahit
Busy
day
yan.
off, hindi siya 24 hours day off.
Ako din.
Kami sobrang kilala mo na ako po.
Imagine naka-day off yan, oh, gigising na, she's gonna wake up at 11 o'clock, 12 noon. Then she's gonna go, I always see her in the computer. Do something, so, then I'm gonna
Bisa
tell
kahit
her,
update lang.
it is your day off. It is Saturday today, so why are you opening those messages? Then she's telling me,
Saglit lang
telling me
to.
that
Opo, yes.
Saglit, umabot na lang isang oras.
you just have to check on her teachers, yes, and to update her job. Kasi work naman niya kasi yun eh. Syempre, she's a manager before, so I understand that because ako supervisor ako before in a 5-star hotel. So we have some common things in our jobs. So yun, kaya alam ko. I know and I know how to act on those situations, you know. Ako nga pag busy ako, bumabawi lang ako kay Steph. I make up to Steph by bringing her food after work. I will go to
Food talaga kasi.
McDonald's, Jollibee, or whatever restaurant is open. When I go home, then I will buy it. There was a time also when we were both busy. We haven't talked for the whole day and for a few days because of work. So I went home. I bought a Mary Grace cake. Mahal ng Mary Grace na yun. Nasa 1,000 plus. Ang laki-laki pa nun.
Thank you,
Ang laki-laki pa naman nun. Ano yun eh, large cake yata yung nabili ko.
Yung
Bumili
malaki.
ako.
Ako kasi may bag size yun
Chocolate cake with
ganyan lang pambawi namin food. Tapos ako din, papasalubungan ko siya or ganon.
Ito, pag uwi ko,
Ganon talaga pambawi.
Pag uwi ko, nag-Mary Grace kami, kumain kami. Aba, after a few days, the food is still there. So, parang isang linggo yata bago naubos. So, in the end, I was the one who finished the food. So, hindi naman siya ma-spoil as long as you put it in the refrigerator and don't keep it in a room temperature area where, can be spoiled. Yun.
Ayun, tapos pambawi ko din sa kanya before, nagluto ako. Actually, luto ko. Actually, ganito. Hindi, pero yung mga luto ko, bihira yun na siguro wala pang 10 times a year luto ko. Di ba 365 days tayo sa isang taon? Ganun lang, kasi mas nagluluto siya. So, pag nagluto ako, yun na yung parang pambawi ko kasi bihira ko siyang gawin na bagay.
Kasi baliktaran kami dito sa bahay eh. Because the standard among husband and wife, 'di ba? Yung husband will go to work, then the wife will do the household chores.
Kaya niya
Take care of the
pareho.
children. But in our situation, we are baliktaran. So I do the household chores.
And nag-work din siya. Ako work lang. Ako work lang, walang chores.
It's like
Work
I
sa
do
company, ganon.
It's like I do the blue collar jobs. I'm at the utility here at home. So I'm the one who fix the things here.
Not
sa
actually,
cabinet.
pag may sira sa gamit, ayusin niya.
Oo.
Syempre, usual
Yeah.
yun. Pero
It's a
kahit
man's job.
luto, laba siya rin.
Oo,
Hugas ng
laba.
pinggan.
Ore.
Matyaga.
O, di ba, swerte ko, Paul, di ba?
Oo.
O, bukod sa gwapo na, mabait na, masipag pa sa bahay. O, di ba, ano panganapin ko?
Grabe, love. Grabe yung build-up mo. Baka mamaya niya matunaw na ako.
Hindi, mamaya, may
Hugas na
ano
ako.
ka doon. May plate pang hindi hugas. Alam mo na.
Wait pa. Pero,
Nautusan pa eh.
pero you know, the great thing about us, if whenever I tell her that I need her help, and she doesn't hesitate to help me. Sinabi ko talaga na we need to carry this one. It's it's too heavy. I cannot leave it alone. And she will give me a hand to help me.
In short,
So,
utusan pa ako. Kung hindi, wala akong
Oo.
kusa.
Tutusan ko pa siya.
Parang kahit nakita ko na siyang nabigatan, basta hindi niya
Oo.
sabihin na, Steph, pakitulungan ako. Basta walang ganon.
As long as kaya ni Kuya. Go.
Oo. Kaya naman dito. Actually, ano naman we live here in a condominium. So, it's not really difficult to do the household chores. Kaya, nasanay naman ako kasi when we were young, as siblings, our parents used to train us how to do the household chores, how to do a man's job, a woman's jobs, so that we can cope up with the society when we grow old and be independent. So yun kami. So that's why I know many things. Siguro ang hindi ko lang masyadong kabisado ngayon is mag-drive. But I can drive a motorcycle, but not a car. Yun. Tapos household chores okay naman, kumpleto. Pagbabayad ng mga bills, si Steph yan si Steph ang gumagawa niya, sanay siya dyan.
Binibigay
Pero-
na lang niya sa akin yung money.
Oh.
Money ko rin. Ako yung parang... Kasi mas magastos kasi siya eh. Di ba usually mas magastos yung girl?
Yun.
Sa amin, mas magastos siya yung bili ako nito, bili ako niyan. Sabi ko, puro ka na lang bili. Dapat sabi ko sa kanya, dapat pala bili yung niname sa kanya ng parents niya, bili.
Bili.
Hindi siya bumili. Yung kahit ako kasi binibili ko, necessity lang.
You know, Paul, what is my weakness?
Dapat bili yung name niya eh, sabi ko.
You know what is my weakness?
Say Kuya.
I have 17 rubber shoes.
17 pairs.
17 pairs.
Sneakers.
13 of them are basketball shoes, different kinds of brands. Every time that I see a rubber shoes in a mall, then I tell her that I will buy it one day. Ang sama na ng mukha niya, nakaganyan lang. She doesn't want me to buy it,
Kasi sabi ko, parang, ilan ba yung paa mo? Dalawa lang yan, bakit 17 pairs? Sabi ko, magparami ka na rin ng paa, kasi dami mong shoes eh.
Actually, I want to become a collector of shoes, Hindi, to be honest, someday kasi, I maintain those shoes, then, someday, if we will be given a chance to have a son, yung anak na lalaki, so maybe I can give it to him someday. Papamana Pamana yung mga lumang sapatos.
Reason niya yun na ipapamana ko naman to, paano kung girl, di ba?
Girl, no? Pag girl, i-donate ko lang sa museum o kaya i-donate ko na lang sa mga kababayan natin na who needs shoes.
Or kung magkapamangkin siya if ever in the future, pwede rin.
Yes. But now I'm not really up to that, But I still like shoes. Every time that we go to the mall, I go to Adidas, to Nike, to Jordan especially. Wow. Parang yan ang Louis Vuitton ng ng sapatos yung mga Jordan. Talagang every time that we go to the mall, I always look on those items, Maganda lang siyang tingnan. I feel happy every time that I see those things, But I will not buy it anymore. Pero pag siguro if I get 50,000 a month, kapag ipunan ko pa.
Ayan, opo.
Yan.
Parehas pala tayo, Kuya. Hindi naman ako shoes, pero more on toys. Kasi kung nakikita
Yung mga, mga Funko Pop.
mukha ng Toy Story yung kwarto ko, Kuya.
Oo, wow! Oo, ang ganda naman yan. Oh, ang ganda ng mo I like your shelves. Is that shelves? Yes, the one in your...
Lalagyan na ng toys.
Opo.
Toys. Oh, actually, Paul, I also want to have a collection of toys, but
Sabi ko,
As of
shoes
now,
na nga,
as of now.
toys pa. Gastos na.
but for now, it's not really practical. It's not really practical, and we don't have much space here in our house for those items. But if we have a big house, we have lots of space. Why not? Diba? Why not coconut? So, yun lang. Maglalagay ako dyan ng Avengers toys.
Yan.
Lalagay ako ng mga action items, name it, But for now, it's not gonna happen because we have different
Limited space.
more and we have a more important priority for us, Oo, hindi siya
Mga
practical.
necessities muna.
Necessity. So in the future maybe who knows, because we still future is yet to come, so we don't know what will happen to us. It can be a downfall, it can go up, our lives in the future. So let's always pray to the Lord that will always guide us.
Ayun. Thank you, Kuya. So, last question na po. To wrap things up, I want to hear it from Kuya Nat. And fun fact, nasabi nga ni Kuya Nat kanina na tourism si Miss Steffi. Si Miss Steffi ay Miss Tourism for a while. So, a fun fact lang yun sa mga runners natin. So, Kuya Nat and Miss Steffi, individual po, no? Kasi syempre, iba-iba naman po tayo ng take and perspectives. Para po sa inyo, what's your recipe ng forever? Ayan.
Siguro ako muna.
Okay.
Love and respect talaga.
Wow.
Love and respect. Yung sa love the person unconditionally. Hindi yung love mo siya dahil ganito, love mo siya dahil ganyan. Kasi lahat naman tayo may positive and negative sa personality. So, mahalin mo rin yung negative nila, di ba?
Yes, exactly.
Yan. Tapos, sa respect naman, respect the person na yung privacy, naniniwala pa rin ako doon. Kasi kahit married na, we still respect yung privacy ng partner natin. Huwag basta-basta gagalawin yung phone, kung ano. Although okay na naman kasi siya, never naman niya pinagdadamot yung phone or ako. Isang aspect lang yon ng respect na yung huwag mo siya basta hablutin, gano'n. Or kasi kasi kasama na rin doon yung trust eh.
Actually,
yun.
she used to borrow my phone every time.
Kasi sa TikTok, ginagamit ko rin yung phone niya pag may mga gusto akong i-like sa friend ko. Parang sabi ko, i-like natin yung post ni ganito, ganyan. So, ginagamit ko din yung TikTok niya for that. Sa mga likes sa mga friends namin, gano'n, para two likes na yun, di ba? May like ako, may like siya. So, wala namang problema sa kanya kasi pinapakita ko sa kanya, di ba, gano'n naman ng video nitong friend natin. So, sabi niya, sige, like mo na, sasabihin niya gano'n. Pero hindi yung basta-basta ko na lang kukunin, gano'n. Kasi may tiwala naman ako eh. Yung gano'n.
Yeah.
Kahit na may mag-text na babae dyan. Kasi usually, pag may nag-text naman na babae, kilala ko rin. Tapos, usually ano rin sa work. Kasi supervisor nga siya ng hotel dati. So, talaga may mga manghihingi ng favor dyan na ipasok sila sa work. Or yung iba naman magtatanong about sa magkano yung 3 days. Or magkano yung 2 nights, mga ganyan. So, puro gano'n lang naman yung mga inquiries. So, wala naman akong problema. So, isa din sa respect, napapanahon ngayon sa politics, walang bagitan ng party staff. Ayan.
Wala.
So, ayun.
Politics,
Di ba love and respect yung sabi ko? So, respect. Magkaiba kasi kami ng political stand. Ayan.
Yes.
Parang
we have different points of view. And hindi kami talaga hindi kami on the same
Pero hindi ko siya inaaway, hindi niya ako inaaway na sabi niya, yung kandidato mo, ganito, ganyan. Tapos sabi ko, yung kandidato mo naman, ganito, ganyan. So, walang ganon. So, para malay natin, baka sa isip niya, yung kandidato ni Steph, mga ganon. Baka malay natin.
Actually, I even told her to come with me on the prayer rally for my
Yung kandidato
political
niya.
bet. Yes. Then we're gonna wear the shirt, but she doesn't want it. Then she keeps on telling me that, okay, go on your own. And don't tag me whenever you put your post on Facebook, okay?
Kasi sabi niya, di ba usually pag malapit na yung May 9, may mga prayer rally na and everything. Sabi niya, sama daw ako doon kasi inisip niya, first sabi ko pandemic, baka wala namang ganun. Pero if ever magkaroon, pupunta daw siya. Sabi ko, I respect your decision naman, pero sabi ko, hindi na lang ako sasama, sorry. Siya na lang. Kasi magsa-selfie siya nung kasama ako sa selfie, kung hindi ko nga gusto yung tao. Hindi dapat ako kasama sa selfie, di ba? Yung ganon.
Actually, that's one thing that couples should also understand. You cannot force your partner to like what you like. or to dislike what you dislike. You know, you just have to respect each point of view in life. You know, so that you can have a smooth sailboat sailing on your
Oo.
relationship. You know, be happy together. That's it. No problem. No problem at all. Yon.
Hindi kami yung parang katulad sa ibang family na parang meron silang standard na
Yes.
yung kandidato parang buong family ganon or sa amin
Yeah.
kasi walang pilitan talaga eh. Kahit nung dalaga pa ako, may times no na iba yung gusto ng parents ko sa akin na candidate. So, binoto nila yung gusto nila, binoto ko rin yung gusto ko.
Yes.
So, parang ganun din sa married life. Yung gusto niya, gusto ko.
Oo, tama po. Tama. I know.
Respect talaga.
Mm.
You know, the thing in my family, my parents is whoever the person they like, I also like, and whoever the person that they
Gano'n naman
dislike,
sa
I also
kanila.
dislike. So it's just a coincidence that we have.
Kami
same
talaga
taste.
naging kanya-kanya eh, kahit
Oh. Oh. But sometimes we also have differences because you know we are still individuals even though we are family. You know, so we have different kinds of view. That's why God gave us our own wisdom and thinking. You know, so that we can decide for our own.
Mm-mm. Tama po.
Yeah.
Yung sa akin, Paul, hulaan mo na lang kasi red ito, tapos pink ito. Bahala ka kung red or pink. Secret yun!
Ako
Red or pink, bahala ka.
Background.
for me,
Oo,
Paul,
di ba?
mas madali itong hulaan. Ito, medyo pula to, di ba? Ikaw na bahala.
Pero wait, yung background.
White background, you know. Oo.
Ako talaga hindi nyo mahulaan kasi conflict yung suot ko. May red, may pink, whatever.
Oo. But that's the thing in politics, you know. Friendship ends, sometimes family gets problem, family ends because of different points of view.
Pero hindi dapat
In the
eh.
relation. But it shouldn't be happening because in the end of the day, you still have to remain friends, you know. And it should not be politics who's gonna destroy you and him, you know.
Correct.
Kailangan na mutual pa rin yung respect nyo, 'di ba? You can have a different point of view in that category, but after that you still have to stay whoever you are, you know. Kaya kailangan ganun.
Tama. Ayun, thank you, Kuya. Thank you, Miss Steph. And
Oo.
bobalol na ako. But last and not least, of course, Miss Steph, syempre po, promote natin ang inyong socials. So, saan po kayo pwedeng hanapin ng mga runners natin?
Ayun, yung sa akin, ayan, Mysterism sa TikTok. MSTOURISM. And then, si Nath, Super Nathan Pogi rin.
Okay, so ito,
Katulad na kanya Discord.
so this will be my name in Discord. Okay.
Super Nathan
Yeah,
Pogi.
Super Nathan Pogi. And also in TikTok, Super Nathan Pogi. And in Facebook, it's Nathaniel. Okay. Ralph. Z.
Pupunta
Okay.
friends list, ganun.
So it's my name in Facebook is my whole
Pwede
name.
naman.
Pati nga may kasama pang yan eh, may kasama pang middle initial yan eh. But
Dati.
I made it shorter so that it is easier to remember, you know. Nathaniel Ralzi Susco. You can also add me at Nathan Sususco. Yun, yung isa pang
Instagram mo lang. May
Ay,
Instagram ka. Ako wala eh.
Instagram is Super Nathan din, Super Nathan.
Pero walang Pogi.
Apo.
Super
Oo.
Nathan lang. Ayun,
Oh,
Super
actually,
Nathan.
teka lang, wait lang. Nandito yun, I'm sure about it. Super Nathan yata yun or Super Nathan
Hindi
po.
kasi masyado binubuksan yung Instagram niya.
Oh, actually kasi sa Instagram naman it's mostly pictures. So if you're really a fan of taking pictures, then it's really good for you to have an Instagram account. Okay, it's let me type it. It's Super Nathan. Superstar Nathan pala, sorry.
Superstar Nathan.
Superstar Nathan. So that is my Instagram. Yan, Superstar Nathan. So
Yan,
you can,
Superstar Nathan.
yan pala, www.instagram.com Superstar Nathan.
Sinulat ko na.
Automatic lumabas na. So, o nga pala, by the way, before I forget, okay, let me give also my ano dito, yung my advice for good relationship, you know. Simple as this. Trust. Capital T.
Talaga may
R
props.
U.
Hindi ko.
Yeah. Trust, trust, you know. Oh, just remember those 5 letters. Trust, trust. Because everything starts with trust. Good relationship among boyfriend and girlfriends, husband and wife, families, friends, you know, relatives is trust. Because you cannot really love somebody. You cannot really care or take care of somebody for 100% if you have doubts on your trust. So you
Trust
have to show
issues na.
trust. Oh, if you have trust issues, and that's the hardest thing to overcome. If you have trust issues, it takes years or sometimes forever to overcome it. So yun lang naman, ganun lang kadali. You just have to trust your partner or or whoever person in your life for you to have a smooth sailing life together. Yun lang naman. Oh, yay!
Yeah, sa akin love and respect lang. Tapos na-explain ko na rin kanina. Yun lang, love and respect.
Ganun lang, Paul. Yun lang, sana yun, may matutunan din sila sa aming story and points of view. Makakatulong naman. We're not saying that they have to follow what is our experience and what is our points of view. However, they can use this as a reference for them, or they
Friends.
can pwede lang gamitin to as as a tool for them to start their lives, you know, their marriage someday, or a relationship, or you know, basta sa buhay. This is it.
Alright. Okay. Thank you po. Thank you, Miss Steph. Thank you, Nat. And that's it. That's it for our first episode. Please
Wow.
follow Steph and Kuya Nat. The links are
Yeah.
all down below. So, i-upload ko po ito sa YouTube and sa Spotify. So, thank you so much, Miss Steph. Thank you so much, Kuya Nat. This
Thank
has
you.
been
Thank you very much,
for
Paul,
today.
and thank you very much, guys, for joining us, for listening, and that's it. We are really happy to share our thoughts, our experiences, and everything about us, you know, and makakatulong talaga to sa inyo. And we hope that you can learn something about it and you can use it. You know, take whatever you need to take, whatever you think that will help you, and leave whatever, you know, things that you don't really need to use much. Yun lang. Okay.
Alright, okay.
God
Thank you,
bless.
Miss Steph. Thank you, Kuya Nat.
Thank you, Paul. Thank you sa lahat.
Bye.